Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to migrate AWS Route 53 hosted zone records from one account to different account. So using IAM secret keys and access keys. So we are migrating our hosted zone records to different account using a CLI and IAM access keys and one test server using a EC2 instance. So let me go back to my console and achieve this. So go to route 53. You need to create a one hosted zone in source account. So this is my mom global region and create a one hosted zone in route 53. So let me create one domain name. So I'll use for sample use description and it is public hosted zone. So whenever you create a hosted zone, it will appear as NS records and SYA record. So these are the default records whenever you create a DNS. So you need to generate access keys and security keys in the source account to transfer your hosted zone records to different account. So create a new access key. So my file has been downloaded. And before that, you need to create a EC2 instance and you need to create some sample records. So in this case, I am using AWS Certificate Manager to create some records. Let me launch one EC2 instance. I'll go with the t2.micro and the key pair is test key pair, and I'll go with the default public subnet auto assign enable, select my existing security group, and I'll go for GP3, and that's it. Launch your EC2 instance and let me create a certificate, a public certificate. So I'll give it the star dot. So what is star? It is a wildcard entry. So if you hit with www dot with the domain name, it will redirect to our DNS. So I am using the star. It is a naming as a it's a wildcard. So view your certificate, and you can see here CNAME and CNAME values. Let me refresh my page. So if you see here, the CNAME value and the CNAME records are appeared. So using this instance, you need to fetch the route 53 records into the EC2 instance using access key and secret key. So let me add my CNAME in my route 53. So create a record. So you need to add this. The CNAME, it will already filter the domain name. So you don't need to add the whole thing. And CNAME value you need to copy here. And record type you need to change CNAME and enter the CNAME value, and I'll go with a 1 minute time latency. So click on create records. It will take some time to create records, and if you can see here, the CNAME record has been appeared in route 53. So what I do is I need to download these records from my route 53 to EC2 instance using the hosted zone ID. So let me go back into the server, public server. Let me log into the server. So this is my server where I have logged in, and Using AWS access keys and secret keys, you need to download your records to the EC2 instance. When I hit the AWS configure, it will ask my access keys and secret keys of the source account. So I need to copy my access key and the secret key. So default region is AP-South-1, which is Mumbai. So I'll go with the default output format as JSON. So I have given my access keys and secret keys. So you need to give this command to fetch your hosted zone records. So this is the uh, command you need to hit in the EC2 instance to get your hosted zone records. So copy this command and paste it, and you need to give the hosted zone which you have created here, the hosted zone ID. So you need to go back to the hosted zone ID place, and you need to paste it here, the hosted zone ID, and you are specifying the path where it should be downloaded in route under route53 directory, and it is located in file. So whenever you hit enter, there is no file, so you need to create file. So let me create in root only. So let me go to the root. Sorry. So if you see here, my file has been appeared. So if you cat this file, so my hosted zone records and everything has been appeared. If you see here, my hosted zone records, NS records, and the SOA record and the CNAME record is also been appeared. So I need to transfer my CNAME record from my source account to destination account. So I need to copy these CNAME values. So I have written a code with the comment string and action string. So you don't need to copy your NS records and SOA records from source account. So you need to change these values. Let me change the value and the CNAME type. So copy the value, so paste it here, and the CNAME, this is my CNAME. So it has been done, copied. So copy this file and paste it somewhere else. So to fetch and to check the code is been written or not. So you need to copy this file in a separate notepad file, and you need to enter that file. So let me go back and check this, is there any errors or not. Comment string create record set, so it will create your record from source account to destination account using AWS access keys and secret keys. So let me go back to my destination account and generate my credentials, access key and secret key credentials. So click on this, create new access key. So I have downloaded my access keys. So you need to go to route53 in the destination account, which is in DevOps route account. So destination account. So you need to create a route53 here, and you need to transfer the your CNAME record from one hosted zone to different hosted zone in different account. So So create a hosted zone. So I'll go with the same name. So this is my DNS, sample DNS. So create a hosted zone. So whenever you create a hosted zone, it will create automatically the NS records and SOA record. So I need to transfer my CNAME record, this CNAME record to from the source account Archie to the DevOps destination account. So in this case, I'm using a this code and values and the CNAME type and the name of my CNAME record. So let me configure AWS access keys and secret keys here. The CLI, I am not using the destination account. So let me check my folder. Okay, this is my root account, root key access and secret keys in my destination account. So copy this access key, enter AP South1 and JSON format. So we have done step 1 and step 2. We have created a hosted zone in the destination account. We have generated access key, secret key in the destination account using the same process. And we need to compare files between source file and destination file. In the same process, you can go with the same command. So this is the command. You can get the hosted zone from the destination account. So copy here. Let me create a file here so that my contents will be saved here. A normal file, name it as file. So we need to copy my hosted zone which is in the destination account, and I need to edit here. So it is asking that AWS route 53 is access denied. So let me check whether it is going to desktop or not. Okay, now we need to enter here desktop file .txt. So the system cannot find the path specified. cd file. So if you see here in the desktop, one file has been generated. So if you see here, my hosted on records has been detected with the in the destination account. If you see here, and you can match my NS records and SOA records, NS 1590, 1590, 721, 405, 1527. So these are the hosted zones in my destination account. So I need to copy my source account CNAME to from here to this account. So I'm using a one more command using the execute the below command in the destination account from the file which you have saved the above code. So you need to copy this command and you need to edit this command like change batch file. So it will change your batch file and it will copy you from the source account to the destination account using the code. So I have pasted the code here. So you need to copy this and you need to paste it here. So you have pasted here and you need to save this file and go to the command which I have given here and copy and paste it, and before that you need to uh, edit the hosted zone in the destination account. So copy the hosted zone and paste it here, and make sure that your hosted zone ID should be in the destination account, and you need to give hyphen hyphen change hyphen batch file. So you need to specify where the file is located. You need to give c underscore users slash minp slash desktop and desktop file. So when you hit enter, so it is saying that error passing parameter hyphen hyphen change batch. Something has been appeared as change batch file. Maybe I need to give the space, I guess. So it is saying that invalid closing double quotes JSON receipt comment string. Let me go back and check in the destination account. So if you see here, the record has been not appeared. So you need to change the code and edit as per your convenience. And let me check the code. Let me rerun again. I will save the file. It is saying that delimiter line 1 column. Let me check the code once again, and there's nothing to worry. Let me check the file where it is saying that in the line 15, line 11, it is saying. So this is the 11 line, and double quotes has been entered. Okay, maybe it is taking hashtag. So let me save this file once again. And so the record which is in the source account of my route 53, this CNAME record, I need to migrate it from source account to destination account using this AWS CLI using access keys and secret keys. So let me check the hosted zone ID, and everything should be correct. So if you see here, my hosted zone ID ending with F30. So this is my hosted zone ID, and my change batch file I have given as desktop file, and this is the command. You need to hit enter. So if you see here, there is no record in my route 53 CNAME record. So if I enter this, so it is saying that change info ID as this is my hosted zone ID, and it is change request, and it is in pending state. It has been submitted with the timestamp, and the comment is string. So it has been, you can confirm it as in pending state. So the hosted zone ID, the hosted zone CNAME record is been created in the destination account. If you see here, my hosted zone, which is in the source account, it has been transferred to the destination account. So if you match this all, it has been appeared. So this is where you can migrate route 53 hosted zones from one account to different account. So in this case, I have used only CNAME. You can use lot of records, and also you can use alias record. And in real time scenarios, we are facing difficulties like it is it is okay to migrate one or two three records or 10 20 records. So it is not possible to migrate lot of number of records like 10,000 or 2,000 records. So that is not possible to migrate in a manual work. So AWS is recommending some uh, steps. And so this is the alias records from source account to destination account. You need to give alias target and type what is the record you need to migrate it. And if you have a lot of records, or if you have records that have a lot of values, and it is in types or different, you need to split into smaller files. Why? Because number of files, it will be store only 1,000 records each file. So the maximum combined length of the values in all value elements is 32,000 bytes. So I'm not saying this, so AWS is saying the same. So each value element is 32,000 bytes only. So you need to split into smaller files while migrating these route 53 hosted zone records. So this is where we can use this code. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.